Because you aren't in the toilet.
Get off the phone!
Mall side, it's just so gross.
Damn it, Jen!
Babe!
I almost myself!
You just peed on me! Get off your phone!
Put down the chocolate now! Yo! Put down the chocolate! Put down! Healthy eating, are we? Healthy eating?
This is for me!
Stop eating rubbish, okay? Stop eating
Really?
rubbish.
Have you looked at yourself lately? You got fucking man boobs!
Life could be a dream. Life could be a dream. Shaboom. Life could be a dream. If I could take you up in paradise up above. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream. Sweetheart, hello, hello again.
Come on, Chris, man. That's great, my girl. Chris, come on, dude. It's too loud. Come on, Chris, dude, stop it. Come on, motherfucker. Come on, Chris, motherfucker. Man, come on, Chris.
Is your head alright? Works. You alright? Did you hit your head? Shit, oh my god, dude. Good morning, sunshine. He's up now, man. He's up. He's right here. Did you hit your head? I thought you did. I was like, oh shit. His head.
You okay? I'm sorry, baby. And that's why I have it.
Get off of yourself! Get off your phone!
God!
No texting and driving! Get off your phone!
Are you serious?
Watch!
I'm watching it!
Instagram.
I'm on Instagram.
You have a problem. Is dinner ready, babe?
Yeah, it's ready.
Alrighty. Good night. You are not sleeping.
I was asleep.
You are on your cellular device. The thing is, mate, I thought it was a good little. Oh no. Oh! I'm so. Hey, Clarence. You... We'll bring that through next. Stop it, Woody!
As a hat trick! Kleiny.
See the white cable?
Yeah, I'm trying to reach.
Oh my god!
What?
What's your problem, homie?
No problem.
You got an issue or what? Come here, dog. Why you looking like a pig for, homie?
We talk.
What's up?
Let's go.
What's up?
Let's go.
Damn, homie, you get naked like that, dog?
Doing a prank.
What the f? Damn, homie, what the f?
You missed. Bro, you suck. Yo, it's a prank. Look. You're trash, bro. You're trash.
Throw me in the wall.
Shit's trash. That shit's loud. What? What are you talking about?
My goskra.
Guess what, guys? It's prank time.
C-Sense air horn. They told me this is really loud, guys. We'll see Grace's reaction. Let's go.
What the heck is wrong with you? Are you serious, man? Stop, Dad.
Sorry. Sorry.
Pas dire.
Je crois qu'il dort dans la loge là.
Et venez, on va le réveiller avec ça.
Tu es